Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set user budgets in Zoho Projects. Alright, so first up, make sure that you have it enabled. Go to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now go ahead over to portal configuration. Right here, go ahead and click on projects and budget. Okay, make sure under budget settings that it is enabled. Okay, and once that's done, you'll have to set it up on your projects. Just click on a project. Now go ahead and click on view right here or view details. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, scroll down under budget, select the billing method and the budget type. Okay, now go ahead and set it up. The budgeted hours, something like that. Maybe 100 hours. Cost budget right here, maybe $100 as well. And the revenue, some other options. And once that's done, just click on save. Now to assign this to a person, open up the project itself, click on access project right here, go to the user section at the top. Now go ahead and select the specific user, for example, Mr. Tristan right here. Move, we have the rate per hour. Okay, just go ahead and change this one, maybe $30 per hour, like so, and the cost per hour will be maybe 30 as well. Okay, hit on enter, and once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you set user budgets in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.